Hello guys, welcome back and let's see how to do the stacked bar plot. In the previous lecture we saw how to draw the box, how to draw the bar plot for the time series data. So now let's see the stacked bar plots. Let's look into our data. This is what the original data which is there with me, and what I need to do here is that I need to do the stacked bar plot. I'll put the for hash here. Let me mention stacked bar plot here, and let's mention here how to do the stacked bar plot. So in order to do the stacked bar plot, we need to do some kind of pre-processing our data, as we have the sales and we have the year and we have the quarter with me. So in the previous case what we did is a group by only the year. So now what I need to do here is that I need to do the pre-processing, or I need to do the group by even for the quarter two. So let's see how to do that here. So let's select the columns here. Which one is the sales, and second one is year, and third one is the quarter. So let me take the three columns and do the group by, first one is uh, so group by the I need to group by first by year and second by quarter. And what I need to do, the aggregation operator I need to mention is sum here, and you can see that perfect, we got all the values that has been in the 2001, what is the each and every quarter, how is going to be there, and sales, everything has been perfectly labeled and indexed is what the data I'm having with me, right? So of course this kind of data is very difficult for me to visualize. Instead I will do one thing, I will do the pre-processing in my own way. So let me do one thing, and let me take the sales values which was arranged in order, and let me convert that into the values, and let me print the sales here. And what we have is a list of array, and all the sales has been there with me. Oh, I need to take the values this. So perfect, I'm having the all the values here, and all the sales is being there. So let me look into the shape of that. And sales.shape, this is what I'm having is 36. And one thing we have to be understand here is that I'm having the 9 years of data, and consists of each year has 4 quarters. So each year has 4 quarters. If you look into that, 9 years of data, each year of 4 quarters, obviously 9 fours 36 is what happened. So let's do one thing here. Let's take the sales and let me reshape my data into 9,4. So if I reshape the data into 9,4, and what I'm having is that the rows or the years and the columns is my quarter. For example, if you see this is the information of my 2001 and quarter one, and this is what exactly the same thing for 2001 and quarter one, and so on. So we have such kind of data which is available with me. So let's do one thing, let's convert that into data frame now. So pd dot data frame, and I'm having the data with me, and let me specify my index. Obviously it was starting from 2001 to 2009. So let me take the list of range of starting from 2000 to 1 to, and I'll end with 2009, so it is 2010. And one more thing is the columns, and one more thing I need to specify is the columns. So okay, one more thing I need to specify is the columns. Oh, columns, right? So columns is, the first one is q1, and second one is q2 and third one is q3, and fourth one is q4 is what there with me. So let me execute it and check whether I'm getting perfect or not. Yes, it is correct. So now I'll just save it into the variable df underscore sales is what the data I'm having with me right now. So let's look in the df underscore sales, So the F underscore scale sales is what the data, and we have the perfect data which was there with us. It is which is what my there in this perfect matrix format, and this is the perfect data which I can do the visualizations. So let's do now. Let's create the stacked bar plot. What is that? I'll do the sales here and the dot and the kind of plot, and sorry, I'll just use a plot here, and the kind of plot I'm looking for is bar plot, the perfect thing. And you can see, like, the perfect bar plot which was there, and which is much more better than my the previous bar plot which I drawn here. And you can see the nice color formations and everything is there. Let me do one thing. Let me increase my figure size, fig comma axis is plt dot figure and fix size, and that is going to be equal to 10 comma 6. All right, so let me put one thing. X is equal to X and plt dot show and perfect. Oh, one more thing we have mixed somewhere. Oh, it's a subplot. Every time I'm missing this. Yes, so this is the subplots. Perfect. Now let me increase a bit here, 15. Yes, now it's fine. It looks much more better here. Now you can see this was with the 2001 and Q1 the sales, and the Q and the sales in this is Q2 and Q3, and this is the Q4 and so on. Obviously, if you sum of all these values, which will be nearly equal to the 2000, and that was my total sales that is happened in the 2001. Perfect, right? So this is what by year on year, what is the number of sales that is being happen, and we can be clearly understand. And one more thing, the kilo distribution, what we can see is that the quarter one sales is very low, and whereas quarter two and quarter three sales are very good, and the quarter four sales is also low. But whereas you can see about this company, the more sales they are going to get in the quarter two and quarter three. So that's the one thing intuition we can get here. So let's do one thing. Let me do, this is also called a stacked bar plot, but here there is if you want to plot the sum of all these things and everything in the same line, and we have a stack is there, and specifies the stack is equal to false, and I'm sorry, stack, this is a stack is equal to false. If you specify the stack is equal to true, and you will get the perfect bar plot, and even much better, cooler than the previous one. You can see here the sum of all the bars is being summing up, you getting the nearly the value is 2000, and this is what the bar plot which you are going to get, and sum of all the values. So this is a nearly the really the coolest stuff you can see in the pandas, which we can able to visualize even much more better, and which one much more intuition can be understand even in the picture here. So as you can see, I'm just remembering again. So this is the plot we have, this is the data which we have, and we did much more. They did the pre-processing to bring into the nice intuition and visualization, so that you can understand about the company's stats much more better. All right, so let's do the same thing here, which is almost equal to the area plot. So if you specify the area here, and that is much more equal to the same, this is the same thing, the area plot. So this is for the quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four, sum of all together, what is the value that is being there, and nice intuition can be get even from the area plot. Of course, obviously this and this are both the same, but this is the bar and this is the area plot, in which you can understand here. And there is an area plot which is a stack is equal to true. If you specify the stack is equal to false, we can compare the area plots, how they are going to be there for each and every quarter. For example, the blue one is the Q1, and the yellow one is Q2, and the green is Q3, and red is Q4. The blue and green, sorry, blue and red is almost coinciding with each other, whereas green and yellow is almost touching each other. So this is all the intuitions which you can get in the stacked plots, and with this kind of data we can understand much more intuition about our data. also about our time series analysis. So that's it, guys. This is about the bar plot. In the next lecture, we will talk about the heat maps. Thank you very much. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. In the upcoming videos, we are going to watch about the powerful visualizations on time series data like area plot, bar plot, heat maps, etc. So we are going to see all those things in this upcoming videos. Please find the description for the URLs below on the visualizations on time series data. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Data Science Anywhere for more videos and projects on data science. Thank you very much and happy learning.